Last but not least is a funnel analytics dashboard. So diving really deep into those conversion rates and sales cycles can help you get a really good understanding of which lead channels are performing the best for your business. Right at the top, we're gonna have the typical conversion rates you're going to need to know or want to be interested in. That's gonna be MQL to SAL, SAL to SQL, and then SQL to close one. So this is just year-to-date conversion rates blended across segments, so that way you have a quick eye on what those conversion rates look like through your funnel. Next is one of LeanScale's favorite data visualizations to understand which lead sources are performing the best. I'm gonna open one of these as an example. So this chart is taking a look at the conversion rates from SQL to closed won, and also looking at how much volume of closed won deals those lead sources are producing. So you'll see on the x-axis here is going to be that SQL to close won conversion rate. So the lead sources further to the right have higher conversion rates than the lead sources further to the left. Now the y-axis is going to be how much revenue those lead sources have attributed to closed won deals. So the ones further up on the graph are going to have the most closed won deals attached to them, and the ones further to the bottom of the graph are going to have the least. Now, what a common mistake is taking a look at how many opportunities are associated with the lead source and how much that lead source has produced closed won revenue. However, that might not be your most efficient channel. You might be spending a lot of money in that channel, and it might not be converting in a healthy way compared to other channels in your business. So for this graph, taking a look at those top right lead sources are going to be your highest performing ones, the ones that have high conversion rates and high production value. Taking a look at an example, in this case, we have the Sales Outbound lead source, which is converting SQLs to close won at a rate of 25%, and it's also produced a significant amount of revenue. Now compare that to paid advertising, where paid advertising has produced a significant amount more of revenue. However, the conversion rate is significantly less. And then if we take a look at one of the lower performing examples in this particular sample data set, the SDR Outbound is only converting at 14%, which is relatively low compared to all the other lead sources, and isn't producing much revenue either. So that might be a lead channel you want to take a look at for improvement. Now you can take that same exact graph and take a look at all of the other steps in your funnel and all of the other date ranges. You might want to take a look at your MQL to SQL conversion rate, and then look at this quarter, last quarter, this year, or last year. And you might want to do the same for SAL to SQL. So you can break it down as many ways as you need to, but this is a really good methodology to quickly see which lead sources are performing really well and which lead sources may need some attention. All right, there you have it. That is the ultimate dashboard pack that you need to be using if you're using Salesforce.